Firstly, marinate the chicken. For that, take coriander, salt to taste, green chilies, ginger, garlic, and sufficient water to grind it into a fine paste. Take about 500 grams of chicken, marinate this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add peppercorn, cinnamon stick, coriander seeds, Kashmiri chillies, cardamom, mace, poppy seeds, star anise, cloves, and a pinch of nutmeg. Roast this on low flame for few minutes. Make sure that the spices don't get burnt. Keep the roasted spices aside. In the same pan, add coconut and roast this as well on low flame till the coconut turns brown. Add the roasted coconut to the roasted spices. In the same pan, add a little oil. Add sliced onion and fry this till they are light brown. Add this to the roasted spices as well and let it cool down completely. After the spices have cooled down, add this to the grinder. Add turmeric. Add sufficient water and grind this to a fine paste. Add oil. Add green chilli, garlic, onions and few curry leaves and saute. Add the marinated chicken and cook for 5 minutes. Now add the Xacuti masala and 1.5 cup of water. Mix this well. Add salt to taste. Cover this and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, add tamarind juice and fresh coriander. Mix well. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel Elleroy and don't forget to visit our store at elleroy.co.uk. All the information is in the description below. See you in the next video.